Remember, when your blade begins to get dull, replace it. There are replaceable blades. It's easy to change out. There's 3 screws that need to be removed. This plate here, these 2 screws, you have to remove this plate because the blade is going underneath it. So to get the blade out, you have to remove this. And then, of course, the support plate on top of the blade, we remove that. So let's begin to remove these. Don't tighten it all the way down, just cinch it. Now the plate, go ahead and tighten it down. There's no adjustment to the plate. Just not super tight, but cinch it down. And now take a connector and use it to line your blade up. Crimp all the way down and hold it. Back this off a little bit and then tighten it again and tighten it, and everything is aligned. Ready to go.